What's up, y'all? This is Jam bringing you another locking tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to Leo walk. I'm also going to be showing you guys 4 different variations for this move. This is a really funky move, so get your hips ready to go and let's do it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Alright guys, so the Leo walk. This move has become one of the most foundational moves in locking. It was created by one of the original lockers, Fluky Luke, whose name is Leo, hence the Leo walk. Alright, so what I'm going to show you first is, from what I've been taught, the most original version of the Leo walk, okay? The Leo walk is 2 parts, okay? It's half of it is a 2-step, half of it is a rock steady, okay? And just for you guys, if you guys don't know what a rock steady is, a rock steady goes like this. You're rocking up and down with your hips, yeah? So your hips are going boom and boom, okay? Ba, 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 da, 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 just like that, okay? Just that hip motion. Now we're gonna take that rock steady and we're going to move with it, which becomes the Leo walk, okay? So this version of the Leo walk, your hips are gonna be going the same way the whole time, all right? So you can pick which direction you wanna go, if it's left or right, okay? But your hips are gonna be doing this the whole time, okay? So it's an original rock steady with a step, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my left leg and I'm gonna be rock steadying to the right the whole time, okay? So how it starts, you're gonna lift up on and 1, okay? Right when that leg goes down, the hip goes out, and 2, okay? So, and 1, and 2, and hip goes to the left, 3, and 4, okay? So I go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Hip is going that way the whole time, yeah?
Come on.
Moving on to the second variation of the Leo walk. This variation is the more well-known variation. This is kind of the evolution of the Leo walk into what it is now, what you'll see most people do as the Leo walk, okay? So it's very similar to the first version, okay? But instead of going one direction the whole time with the rock steady, every step we're gonna change the direction of our rock steady, okay? So I'm gonna start with the left. We always start on and. Knee goes up as high as you can, very important. High knees is very important in this move, okay? So we go and 1, hip goes out, and 2, okay? So now, when I step with the left, I'm rock steadying to the left, all right? I pick up on and 3 and 4, and I rock steady to the right, okay? And then we repeat, all right? So it looks like this. We go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, okay? Really important that my hip goes out. I really push it out here. Boom, boom, okay? And I hit like that. And out and down. So one little variation of this variation would be adding your knee in the way that you open it, okay? So it would look like this. And 1, I'm gonna open and 2 like that. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, yeah? So this version, you can do it just with your hips like this. Boom, boom, boom. You can also do it with the knee open and close, yeah? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Closes in like that.
Come on.
Alright guys, so the third variation of the Leo walk is a more bouncy version, alright? So instead of being so focused on the hips, like the second variation, this one we're gonna be dropping, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna step out and we're gonna drop down and. Okay? So the count would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Okay? What helps with this as well is when I step, or when I drop down, I open with the knees like this. And I'm rotating on my heels. So, boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Do, 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 do. Come on! Okay, so this is the last variation I'm going to show you guys today, and this one is more of a kick out, okay? So with this version, what we're going to do, step, all right? Now we're going to kind of flick this foot here on the second. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all right? So we're kind of going boom, pop, pop, do, ta, ta. Do, ha, ha, yeah? So there's like a shift over, right? And I'm flicking this heel out like this, okay? Come on! Alright guys, so those are your 4 variations of the Leo walk. Obviously, there are tons of different ways to do any move in locking, so these aren't the only ways to do it. Just breaking you guys down 4 of them for you guys to play with in your freestyles. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please drop a like. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, what kind of videos you want to see in the future. If you guys are trying this out at home, please take a video and send it to me on Instagram at JoeyTheJam. I would really love to see your progress and how you're taking on these moves. Shout out to the Drop Dance Studio for hosting this tutorial. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you always get notified whenever I drop a new tutorial so y'all can stay up on your learning. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.